Next, I'm really pleased to welcome Katherine Isbister from UC Santa Cruz, who will moderate the session on HCI and Games, Designing Playful Futures. Katherine is a professor of computational media at the Baskin School of Engineering at UC Santa Cruz, where she directs a social emotional technology lab. Katherine.
Hi, everybody. Thanks so much for having me here to host this panel. Is everyone able to hear me just fine? Just to double check? Okay, great. So welcome to today's virtual panel on human-computer interaction in games. Before we get started, I wanted to say just a little bit about the Center for Computational Experience at UC Santa Cruz, which I direct. We've been around for about 10 years, and we innovate technology practices and platforms to enhance everyday lived human experience. And we like to say that we draw upon the unique strengths and sensibilities of UC Santa Cruz, which if you haven't been to UC Santa Cruz, it's a beautiful campus. We have a unique perspective on not only living the good life, but caring deeply about our social well-being as a larger community. And we're also very close to Silicon Valley. So the interesting thing about the center is we combine human-computer interaction and games. We started out as a center focused on games and playable media, but we do a lot of different things. Leila Takayama, who spoke earlier today, is actually a faculty member in the center. We have a lot of great work there. So I'd be glad to answer questions about that during the networking session later today at 4 o'clock. So I was thrilled when I was asked to lead this panel because HCI and Games is a fascinating area, and I think that it is not as well understood or known as it should be. And I think you're all going to learn a lot from the speakers we have today.